ये था कि सर x इज अ वेरिएबल विच कैन टेक विच वैल्यूज, वो अपने मर्जी से कौन से वैल्यूज ले सकता है, ये डाउट बड़ा पूछना चाहिए था। तो आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन इज कि x is known to be as independent variable which can take the values like mean, median, mode. Apart from mean, median, mode, it can also take the values like quartiles, deciles, percentiles. So these are all the values which can be taken by the variable x, which can be taken by the variable x. अच्छा, सेकंड क्वेश्चन कि सर आपने बताया कि A and B they are being called to be as the shift of origin and the change of scale. अब मैंने बोल दिया बड़ा शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड चेंज ऑफ स्केल, तो तुम लोग ने भी बोल दिया बड़ा शिफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड चेंज ऑफ स्केल, but in the real sense do you know exactly what is the meaning of the term shift of origin is, what is the meaning of the term change of scale is? No, but you don't know all these things. पता होना चाहिए shift of origin means, note down somewhere everyone, but please note down shift of origin means shift of origin means whenever the values whenever the values are changed, the values are changed by doing addition or subtraction. Whenever values are changed by doing addition or subtraction, then it is called to be as a shift of origin. Then it is called to be as a shift of origin. And continued. And whenever the values are changed, whenever the values are changed by doing multiplication or division, by doing multiplication or division, then it is called to be as, then it is called to be as change of scale. It is called to be as the change of scale. चलो गया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बड़ा जब हम लोग ने ये नया कंसेप्ट पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया तो उसमें हम लोग ने बड़ा नया हेडिंग क्या लिखा, व्हाट वी रोट द न्यू हेडिंग टू बी एज, बताओ मुझे फटाफट मैसेज करो, व्हाट वी रोट द न्यू हेडिंग एज। करेक्ट, लीनियर रिलेशंस, वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट। तो अब मुझे ये बताओ बड़ा कि जब हम लोग ने बड़ा ये हेडिंग लिखा लीनियर रिलेशंस, तो अभी भी तुम लोग ने बड़ा वहां पे किसी ने भी बड़ा फाइंड करने की ट्राई की या किसी ने पूछा मुझे कि सर आप हम लोग को ये लीनियर रिलेशंस पढ़ा रहे हो, तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म लीनियर इज, what is the meaning of the word linear is? Anyone बड़ा किसी को पता है लीनियर मीन्स क्या होता है? No. Savio, no. It is wrong. Anyone? Okay, very good. Adrian. Yes, very good. Okay, in a given relationship, we have observed that the highest power of the variables, that is of x and y, it is considered to be as one. Therefore, it is being called to be as linear. But that is true. That is 100% true. But apart from this, there is one more meaning of the term linear. There is one more meaning of the term linear, and that meaning is in this given type of relationship, both the variables, but they are going to have the same effect, but दोनों भी same उसमें ही change हो गया अच्छा. For example, if x is a variable, if it is going to be changed in terms of mean, so but y is also a variable which will be changed in terms of mean. अगर x is a variable which gets changed into but a median, so but y is also a variable which will be changed into median. X is a variable which will be changed in terms of mode. So beta y is also a variable which will be changed in terms of mode. X quartiles. So beta y quartiles. X deciles. So y deciles. X percentiles. So y will also get changed into percentiles. Is that clear? Since both the variables, it will be changed in exactly the same manner. Therefore, it is being called to be as a linear relations. And under the heading but a linear relations, now we are going to study about the six formulas with respect to the mean, median, mode, quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. Now, after starting with this linear relationship, now one by one we'll start with the formulas. One by one, but we'll start with the formulas. And that answer is third. First relation, madam. Y bar is equal to y bar is equal to a plus bx bar. First formula, it is based upon the mean. And in this given relation, we can see that x is a variable which takes the value of mean. But if x is a variable which takes the value of mean, इसका मतलब correspondingly y is also a variable which will take the value of mean. X mean. So beta y will also take the value of mean. X mean. So y will also take the value of mean. Second formula, y median. Y median, which is equal to A plus bx median madam, y median is equal to A plus bx median madam, y median is equal to A plus bx median madam. तो इसका मतलब इन द सेकेंड फॉर्मूला x is a variable which takes the value of the median. Therefore, correspondingly, y is a variable which also takes the value of the median. First formula, it is based upon the mean. Second formula, it is based upon the median. So now, with respect to mode, so y mode is equal to A plus bx mode y mode is equal to A plus bx mode. तो इसका मतलब बड़ा तुम लोग मुझे बताओ in this given formula x is a variable which has taken the value of x is a variable which has taken the value of correct mode, and because of that reason y is a variable which has also taken the value of correct x mode. So y has also taken the value of mode. अब यहाँ पे ना बड़ा quartiles, deciles,
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री, और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
deciles, percentiles अभी मैंने तुम लोग को बड़ा पढ़ाया नहीं है ना, बट आगे इन नियर फ्यूचर बड़ा मैं तुम लोग को ये सब एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। अब फॉर्मूलाज पढ़ रहे हो तो साथ साथ में है ना उसके भी फॉर्मूलाज बड़ा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। खाली बड़ा यहाँ पे ध्यान रखो सब लोग, क्वार्टाइल्स जो है ना बड़ा क्वार्टाइल्स, they are denoted by using capital Q. Deciles जो है ना बड़ा deciles, they are denoted by using capital D. And जो percentiles है ना बड़ा percentiles, they are denoted by using capital P. तो बेटा with respect to quartiles, deciles and percentiles बेटा। अब ये देखो यहाँ पे y quartile is equal to a plus y quartile which is equal to a plus bx quartile। इसका मतलब बेटा in this given relationship x is a variable which is taken the value of quartile so correspondingly y is also taken the value of quartile next y deciles is equal to a plus bx deciles y deciles is equal to a plus bx deciles first formula that is at number 4 it is based upon the quartiles and at number 5 it is based upon deciles and now the sixth formula is based upon sixth formula is based upon chalo ready percentiles you will get the answer to be yes y percentiles is equal to a plus bx percentiles y percentiles is equal to a plus bx percentiles चलो बेटा मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे कि x is a variable which has taken the value of फटाफट बेटा मैसेज करो x is a variable which has taken the value of correct and correspondingly y has also taken the values of correct mark this six formulas to be as very important you will have to learn this formulas and you will have to write this all formulas three times in your assignment you will have to write these formulas three times in your assignment तो सब लोग बढ़ाई वो सिक्स फॉर्मूला सब लोग ध्यान से नोटिस करो चलो बेटा चेक करो और मुझे बताओ in all the six formulas what is the common thing that you have observed? No, Savio wrong, Angel wrong. Yes, correct bro. Akshita wrong, wrong. बेटा कॉमन टर्म जो सिक्स फॉर्मूला में बेटा दिखाई देता है रॉन्ग. यस हिमांशु. So in that case the common thing better that you can see over here is in all the six formulas there is A and B. There is A and B. A and B is a common thing in all the six formulas. Is that clear? सबके सब formulas A and B are the common thing that you can see over here. And after this in your margin but you can write down so in your margin but you can write down note note and in that note but specify in that note but you specify all the averages all the averages are all the averages are affected by are affected by you can change your pen and you can highlight are affected by shift of origin are affected by shift of origin and change of scale are affected by shift of origin and change of scale. चलो mark this as most important MCQ which can be asked in the exam and institute can ask the question in this form all the averages are affected by all the averages are affected by your options would be A shift of origin B change of scale C, both A and B. D, none of this. But now, which option will be the answer? Yes, very good. Perfect. Option C is your correct answer. Very good. Perfect. And now, ये देख लो यहाँ पे सब लोग बड़ा कैलकुलेटर के साथ अब रेडी रहो. Everyone please be ready with your calculators. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर ने सिर्फ खाली हम लोग को वर्बली बता दिया कि all the averages are affected by shift of origin and change of scale. बट सर ने कभी हम लोग को बताया भी नहीं कि how all these averages they are affected by addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सब लोग को समझा? So in that case, let me try to understand this fundamental again with some basic things. Suppose if x is a variable